Hey everybody, this is Wendy Sancho, your secondary math ISS, with a short tutorial on how to add to my virtual template. This is for secondary teachers only. Elementary school's template looks a little different than ours. So let's begin. First, who needs to add to their template? We have two different types of templates out there that are running right now. We have one where all of your work is assigned directly from your template. The students have to go to the template to get all of their work. If you have a template like this, then yes, you must add to your template each week or each block or each way that you have it set up. Now, if you have a generic Schoology or Google Classroom template that has something on there that says to be determined, then you don't need to update your template. Your template is fine, just leave it alone. For those of you who do need to update your template, here's the steps. First, log on to your template. Your template is going to come up. You may ask, where is my template? Well, since you were forced to make a copy of that template initially, it should be in your drive. You've saved it there. If you have a hard time finding it, ask someone else, an ET, or ask me, and we'll help you find your template. So once you have your template in front of you like this, I need to now make a copy of it. From personal experience, I prefer to make a copy of my template so that I can see all of it first. So I'm going to go over here to my zoom button and hit the down arrow, and I'm going to make mine at 50%. You don't have to do this. This is just what works best for me through experience. So now I can see my whole template. So I'm going to click inside the box. I'm going to highlight the whole piece, and I'm going to hit right click, and I'm going to hit copy. Now I've copied all of that. I'm going to now click above that item. See how my cursor is flashing right here? Click above. I'm going to right click again, and I'm going to hit paste. Now you'll notice that I have two pages on my template. See that? There's the original, and there's the one I just made a copy of. Now I want to be able to see it again, so I'm going to increase my view to 100%. And notice at the top it says the most current agenda is listed first. This is so when parents click on this or students click on this, they see what's the most current to begin with, but we've also archived the items below if they need to go back. Now I just need to update. I'm going to go in, I'm going to highlight and change the things I need to change. I'm going to change my date for the next week, for example. That's it, okay? Don't overthink this. My motto is keep it simple, keep it simple, keep it simple. You do not, so just to go back for you guys to know, you do not need another link. This is the same exact link that you shared earlier. You do not need to resend your link to your ET. This is the same link you used earlier. The link will automatically update. There's no save, there's nothing else you do. As soon as you update the link, as soon as you update the document, the link will update. Here are just some little tips that you may need to shrink your view to see the whole screen. I used 50%. I used the view button. Here are some shortcut key copies, cut and paste. And remember, if you do something and you don't like it, the undo key is your friend. It's located in the top left of your screen on the document. If you'd like to see this presentation, this Google slide show, here is the link to the Google slide. If you have more questions or need some individualized help, please feel free to contact me, Wendy Sancho, your ET, or your ISS to help you. Good luck.